Jackson, what did you find? Did you find your yogurt? What's that? Is that your yogurt? Do you want some? Dad? Let's see. Is that your yogurt? Oh. Do you like your yogurt? You want to open it? You want some? Are you so excited? You want that? What's that? You want some yogurt? Yogurt. Come on, Mom. You want some? Really bad? Should we go find your chair? Should we go find your chair? Where's your chair? It's over there? Okay, let's go get it. Here we go. Where's your yogurt? Here, hold it. Okay, let's go get your chair. Oh, Jackson's playing ears. Hi, Guy. Where's your chair? Tell me, where's your chair? Oh, there's the kitty. Hello, Daddy. There's your chair. Should we get it? Come on, chair. Jackson wants some yogurt. Okay, come sit down. Come sit down. Oh. Good boy. You ready? Oh, you're so excited. Want your yogurt?